I always start off my necklines near the bottom and work my way to the top arch. It's always best to use half of the blade instead of the full blade when you're lining up the neckline. Moving on to the side taper, we're starting off with our gold FX and we're creating our first guideline. Moving back to our taper, we're starting off with our no guard all the way open and we're creating our second guideline. Remember, closing the lever midway and all the way closed will help you erase that initial guideline. Since we used our 1 guard all the way open and our half guard already, now we can move on to our 1.5 guard and continue to blend into the fade. Now we're heading towards the C-cup area. I usually like to start at the bottom and work my way to the top arch. Fading a beard is almost like fading a taper. You want to make your guidelines as small as possible and you're starting off with your no guard all the way open. Again, I hope you guys are enjoying the video. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe. It's greatly appreciated. We're adding some detail with the no guard all the way open and the lever midway and closed. Always make sure to detail with your clippers and trimmers. Anything you see, you will hit. Once we're done saturating the hair, we're going to continue to make our guideline near the middle and connect it to the sides. I usually like to make sure my guideline is very nice and even before I continue to the back. You always want to make sure the hair is nice and saturated so you could get his true length.